Hey everybody, so I got a quick small little pickup from Lowe's, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is going to be a quick little tiny haul from Lowe's. I was actually curious if anybody else has used this item. It was 10 bucks. It was $10.48. So this is a little adjustable spanner wrench. I thought it was kind of neat. It just says adjustable spanner wrench, part number 0796504. Stainless steel for greater strength and durability. Adjustable pins fit angle grinder hub sizes 3/8 to 2 inch. Outer nut size 5/8 by 11 inch standard pitch thread arbor. It's got a little carabiner clip on it too, which I thought was pretty neat, and it comes with another set of angle grinder collets. One's thread and one's the slip lock. It doesn't say much on here. I thought it was pretty interesting. So here's the slip lock collet and the threaded side. And then it comes with the spanner. And you know, this is going to also be a little quick unboxing. But you tighten this nut right here and it locks the spanner size down. Which I thought was pretty interesting. So you can lock it right there for that size. And now it's a spanner wrench. I think it's pretty nice. Let me grab a angle grinder here. I have several angle grinders. I got a couple DeWalt's, I have a couple of Milwaukee's, I have a Bosch, I have a couple Makita's. Like this style Milwaukee, this is the 7 to 9 inch rat tail. I don't think it's not going to work for the 7 to 9 inch rat tail. These holes are definitely just way too small compared to this guy. But and the 7 to 9 inches is exactly the same as the 4.5 inch to 6 inch. It will work on Bosch. I don't want to drag that one out of the drawer though. It will definitely work on the Bosch. I think it will work on the Flex Vault. No, it will not work on the Flex Volt model because that is an Allen style. But, as an example, let's bring it in over here. This is the Milwaukee style. It's very, very small. I have two of those Milwaukee ones. This style looks like it will work for the Earthquake model. This one is for the Flex Volt, which is a big Allen head. I figured it might come in handy, you know. Comes with a couple extra collets and the tool. You know, it might might come in handy for, you know, because it goes all the way to that wide to really small. So you can use this for other things as well. You can use this to bend metal. If it's light enough, you should be able to use it, you know, to bend metal like that. If it's like tin or sheet metal, probably work just fine. But, you know, this is what I picked up. It's not a huge haul. Maybe you guys can let me know if you've seen it or you've tried this before. What did you think of it? Was it useful? Did you end up taking it back because it was just, it wouldn't fit half of your grinders? You know, let me know. Just a quick video. I'll probably do another video on this where I take out every grinder I have and we can, you know, just compare it and everything. But that would be up to you guys. Leave a comment in the description if you guys want me to pull out all my grinders and see how many this will work on. I do think it's nice that it's got a carabiner clip on it, so you could just hook it on your belt. You don't got to worry about, you know, if you're using a grinder that you can use this on, you don't got to worry about it. I appreciate you guys stopping by today and hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, and my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!